Sorry guys, my timer ran out on my video. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with number 11. We were almost done. We were saying how we wanna go backwards to figure out the total number. If we're missing the total in division, we can go backwards and do multiplication instead. 5 times 2 equals what total? That would be 10. So if I need the total, I'm going to do multiplication to get the total. So let's do that again here. If I'm missing the total in my division, I can just go backwards and do multiplication from the end. 2 times 2 equals 4. And does it work to go backwards this way now? 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Okay, let's try it again. I'm missing the total of this division. So let's start with the groups in each and multiply them together. 3 times 2 equals 6. And that makes sense. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And the last one, 8 times 2 equals 16. If you had those, very good job. All right, let's try a couple word problems here. Lynn makes a tile design with 16 tiles. Half of the tiles are red and half of the tiles are blue. He takes away 4 red tiles. How many red tiles are in the design now? I'm noticing that since there's so many clues, I have a feeling this is going to be a multi-step problem. A lot of you have been getting good at looking for those. My 16 tiles is the total. Okay, so when I am doing this, I know I'm going to probably be doing division. Half means I'm taking that total and dividing it into how many groups if you're cutting it in half. It means to divide by 2 because you're going to make it into 2 groups. Half of them are red, half of them are blue. So I'm going to make 1 pile for red, 1 pile for blue. And then I'm going to pass out my 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of you probably already mentally did it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. Now I've done the first clue, 16 tiles. I've done where I cut it in half, 1 for red, half for blue. Then there's another step. He takes away 4 red tiles. So when we say take away, that makes me think of like subtraction or Xing them out. So now I'm going to X out 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many red tiles are in the design now? So like left over. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 red tiles left. They didn't ask me to do anything with the blue. Whoa. All right. Let's go to the next page. Let me get this out of here. Okay, let's look at number 17. 2 hummingbirds of the same type have a total mass of 10 grams. Which type of hummingbird are they? Write a division equation to show how to find your answer. All right, so this one is a little tricky. It sounds different than other problems we've done before, but I know that this says total mass of 10. So if it's total, I'm going to label that for myself. The total is 10. Then they told me how many hummingbirds I have. Right here, there's 2. So I'm thinking that I'm taking that total mass, and mass means kind of like weight, how heavy something is a little bit, and grams is like a measurement of that weight. So I'm taking that total weight and I'm going to split it amongst the 2 hummingbirds. So that's like division. So I would do divided by the 2 hummingbirds. And so how many are going to be for each one? Well, 10 divided by 2, if you split it in half, that would be 5 plus 5 for each one. So now let me take a look over here. Which one of these hummingbirds is 5 grams? Right here, I see the violet-crowned hummingbird. So I'm going to give a VC for that. Okay, there might be one more video for a couple more of the problems.